You know, every now and then you come across a story that's just profound. A story about the incredible impact just one person can have on their entire community. This is one of those stories, all about personal dedication, sacrifice, and the amazing power of education.
A life's purpose. I mean, really think about that for a second. What does that actually mean? It's a mission that takes over everything. Your time, your energy, your money, all of it, pointed toward one single clear goal. That's really the heart of the story we're diving into here.
All right, so who is this person? Who is at the center of this incredible, purpose-driven life? Let's meet the founder and really get to the bottom of what started this whole thing.
His name is Nadim Ayaz, and he's the person who saw a huge need in his community and decided he was going to do something about it. He dedicated not just his life, but his pretty unique and considerable expertise to creating educational opportunities specifically for women.
And this is the foundation everything is built on. Just look at how diverse this is. We're not just talking about religious scholarship here. By blending deep Islamic studies with psychology and even law, Nadim Ayaz has created this totally unique approach, one that can tackle the spiritual, the mental, and the practical needs of his students, all at the same time.
So, with this powerful foundation and a crystal clear vision, he didn't just dream about it, he actually built it. And that brings us to the tangible result of his mission, the founding of the Eman Institute.
So it all started with just a single idea back in 2018, but it's grown into so much more since then. Today, the Eman Institute is a formal, registered organization. And that's not just some boring paperwork, you know? It's about legitimacy, it's about trust, it means there's full financial transparency, which helps create a lasting institution that's really built for the future.
13. Okay, so you see this number, and you're probably wondering what's that all about. Well, it's way more than just a random number. It's the 13 female teachers who are leading the instruction at the Institute. And that right there highlights a core principle of this whole mission. It's education for women, delivered by women. It creates this incredibly supportive and empowering environment. So, what's it actually like to learn at the Eman Institute? What's the curriculum look like? Well, its real power comes from this really practical approach that blends deep knowledge with hands-on skills. This isn't just about one kind of learning. It's about empowering the whole person.
They've basically built this entire holistic system on 3 pillars. It all starts with deep academic and religious studies. Then it adds practical vocational skills, things like sewing, which creates a direct path to financial independence. And for some students, the journey starts at the very beginning, with the most fundamental tool of all, basic literacy, opening up a world that might have been closed to them before.
And you have to understand, the education here isn't the end of the road. It's not just a final destination. It's a launch pad. The whole institute was designed from the ground up to be a real accredited pathway, one that can take students from their very first certificate all the way to a PhD if that's what they want to do.
So how did they do that? How do you build that bridge to higher education? Well, it's actually pretty clever. By affiliating with the official Federation of Seminaries, the Institute's main certificate gets national recognition. It's officially considered equivalent to a master's degree. That creates a seamless path right from their classrooms into the university system. It's a total game changer.
And right here, you can hear that ambition, that huge vision, in the founder's own words. The goal was never just to hand out a certificate. It's about empowering these women to completely shatter ceilings and reach the absolute highest levels of academic achievement.
But what drives someone to pour their entire life into a project like this? I mean, really, what's the motivation? Underneath all of it, there's this core principle, this deeply held belief in serving the community.
The best among you are those who bring the most benefit to others. This single teaching is the engine behind all of it. It's this simple but incredibly powerful belief that your life's value is really measured by the good you do for other people. And the Eman Institute? Well, it's the living, breathing embodiment of that very idea.
So in the end, the story of Nadim Ayaz and the Eman Institute is so much bigger than just one school. It's this amazing, powerful example of the ripple effect that one person's dedication can have. And it leaves us with a really compelling question to think about. How can one person's dedicated effort truly transform an entire community?